Hey folks, welcome to this particular video. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about the webinar. In case you're hosting webinars, in case you're doing live webinars, I would recommend you to stop paying monthly on these webinar plans. Today, I'm going to give you 3 awesome options to grab those particular platforms on a maybe an yearly plan or a one-time plan and save a lot of money. Personally, I had used Demio for my webinars initially. For the first 1.5 years, I used Demio for my webinars. Then I shifted for a short while on Click Meeting. Then today I'm using something which is on a lifetime plan. So what I do, I can record my webinar training. I can conduct unlimited webinars only and only because the ability is that I have paid once to that particular webinar platform, and I can run my webinars n number of times, any number of time, recorded, pre-recorded, evergreen, whatever it is. So in case you are somebody who is into the webinar trainings and everything, you're regularly conducting webinars, this particular video can help you and save a lot of money of yours. So I'm going to suggest you 3 platforms. Check out all the 3 platforms. I'll give you the pros and cons and everything about these platforms, and then take your own call. So let me start sharing my screen. These 3 platforms, the 3 awesome platforms, are going to really save a tons and tons of money. And you will thank me after watching this particular video. So let's begin. My first choice for you is Live Webinar. Now, Live Webinar is a browser-based advanced webinar software. The best part I like about Live Webinar is this is not only webinar, this is webinar come meetings. So in case you are using Zoom meeting plan or Zoom webinar plan, you can simply stop paying Zoom. You can get into this one-time plan of Live Webinar and get everything, whatever you are doing with Zoom and other platforms. You can run your paid webinars, everything. You can customize it out. It's a browser access based. You can see these things. Marketing automation is there, works with any device. It has got a whiteboard like Zoom. HD recorder is there. You can stream live or you can run your evergreen webinars. You can create a funnel and connect. It gets integrated with whatever you name it, whatever autoresponders you're using, it gets connected. You can find a lot of reviews. How to get this particular webinar system? If you go on the main website, you will find a free plan, pro plan, business plan, and custom plan, but I would not recommend you any plan. You want to test this out? Yes, subscribe for the free plan. Maybe you can try it out, but what I would recommend you, not even go for the free plan. Go for something, go for an exclusive deal. You will find the link below this particular video. This is a very short-term deal of live webinar, which they are offering you one-time payment access to this particular software. Let me just give you a payment comparison so that you are able to see. And don't worry about the free trial and everything. You got a 60-day money back guarantee, no matter the reason is. Don't worry about it. So you pay just $99 once. You will get a 100-room capacity for life. You will have a storage for documents, storage for recordings. You can conduct one live session at any point, any given point in time. You can also parallel run a one evergreen event, HD and recording, broadcasting. Plus, you got these features also coming in. You can moderate chat, screen sharing, whiteboard, broadcast to social media. Yes, this is also one of the great advantage of live webinar, that you can simultaneously stream it to all the social media platforms also. Like you want to stream it to YouTube, you want to stream it to Facebook, you want to stream it to LinkedIn. So while you're running a webinar, you can stream it to the other platforms also. Virtual background feature is also there. Emojis are also there. So this is for 100 participants. 198 if you want more, 200 participants, 297 for 300 participants. And if you want more codes, you can get up to 10 codes. And while you choose the 10 code, it is $990 for 500 participants. That's what the limit is coming in. So you can just keep checking these codes. There are different codes and different price points, and you can have like 3 concurrent sessions. Like in $594 one-time plan, you can run 3 concurrent live sessions. You can have 5 evergreen events, and you can have breakout rooms, room branding tool, tracking, HQ live streaming, ads banner, and so many things are there. So depending on your need, You just need a 100-seater webinar plan. Because see, let's give a simple comparison. You pay $49 to Zoom for a 100-seater room. $49 makes it $98 in 2 months. You pay 99, get it for life. Nothing to pay ever. If your capacity is only 100, or if you're running only automated webinar, you don't even the live webinar platform is not required. Just go for the 99 one. Otherwise, you can upgrade as you like. If you are using, say, Demo is $49 for 50 seaters. So you can just see if you want an auto webinar, they start from $99 a month. So paying a month versus paying one time. Now, the best part about live webinar is this is only a short-term arrangement which we have done to attract more subscribers. Take this benefit. Otherwise, this plan of $12 a month and $95.20 a month will stay anytime you can go and pick it up. So that's my number one choice. Live, automated, streaming to social media, meeting rooms, everything you get in live webinar, just get it through. Find the link below. Grab the one-time deal. Only the one-time deal is link is given below. Now my second option to you, even a super awesome choice in case you only and only want to run automated webinars. WebinarKid gives you live-like webinars. It looks like a live webinar. It's not a live webinar, but everything, the look, the feel, and everything you get is for a live webinar. So work less, earn more with WebinarKid. So webinars, the easy way, it works on any device, any kind of browser. You will get a very beautiful landing page like this. You can get a perfect, beautiful landing page which gets integrated with anything. You can have the webinar office, go through if you have used Demo, you can know how you can, give in between the webinars office and all that. Similarly, you can do here also. And we can scroll it down to get more. Yeah, loaded with all the integrations. You can see all the notifications comes to you. Email question box, simple and easy to read. Analytics, live like webinars with live chat. So you can record the webinar, let it run. It will run as a live webinar only. You can do your live chat in between. You can have a demo here on this particular page. And okay, so this is how it will look like. One-time pricing, perfect. So it was $99. Right now it is $77, but there is a coupon code which is available. So you will get at $72 right now if you take it. $70 once you just give it up, and boom, you're there. Automated, live, just in time, powerful scheduling, customized option, one-click branding, live chat, and boom, 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 boom. Perfect. This is my second choice for you. Now let's come to another technology, another plan, another feature, another webinar. This is called WebinarLoop. Now WebinarLoop is something which is the developer has made this particular webinar platform in integration with YouTube API. So definitely you need to put your YouTube API to make this particular system working, but it's simple to use, easy to use, easy to integrate, and you have got many features available here. So you can run live, on demand, scheduled, webinar replays, anything you can do. You can have call to action during the webinar, info pops, graphic service. It supports your retargeting, email support, SMS support, branding, template, connection through Zapier's, opt-in pages. It's there available. You can embed to anywhere. You can have run live, evergreen, on demand. So you can have this whole page you can read in case you want to check this out. And webinars are not expensive. Don't worry for that. Not at all expensive. With this video, you will forget, you will never say webinars are expensive to conduct. Now your only focus has to be on your Facebook ads or Google ads to attract more customers, or your communities where you want to share these webinars and everything. So let me just share more things with you. These are all the feedback. Let me just share the pricing structure. It should be at the bottom. Yeah. So there are two payment plans here, monthly and the yearly one. I would highly recommend you to go for the yearly one. Yearly one is you can have an agency rights, so you can have 5 accounts. You can have commercial rights, so you can use it commercially. 10 webinars you can host. It's at one particular time. Multi-user access would be there, and maximum 250 attendees per webinar. So that's how the features given. So all you need to do is once you go with this, okay, you can see these features. Okay, let's see the features now. Number of webinars, domains, signups, live attendees, YouTube-based broadcast tech. Of course, this only is YouTube-based webinar platform. automated webinars, and so many features. So let me just stop sharing. So what I want to share with you is, in case you are somebody who is doing webinars, finding a problem in affording those webinar high-tech systems on a monthly basis, my recommendation to you is get into the one-time plan. WebinarLoop, $37 a year. You will need to take assistance from the developing organization, because they will help you in setting it up. It only requires your YouTube API. Once you set up the UPI, it will be a webinar hosted on the platform, but using YouTube. So it will be an automatic unlisted video on your YouTube will get created simultaneously. So that's how it works. $37 a year, lot of saving for you. Then comes your WebinarKid, live like webinars. You don't have to do a live webinar. Record it at your convenience, night, day, whenever you're free, just record it. Once you record it, the next thing is to run it. Run it as a live like webinar, on-demand webinar. Whatever way you want to give it, you want to give a specific date and time, do it. It will run as a live like webinar. Event, sequence, everything will come as a live webinar. And in case you want to go further on, go for the platform called live webinar. $99, all it takes, 100-seater, you will book it for live meeting, social media access, all the analytics, everything is happening inside that particular platform. So these are my 3 recommendations for everybody who is a trainer, coach, affiliate marketer, dropshipper, anybody who is interested in webinars or who is doing webinars. And really, in case you're finding problem in paying those high tech, there's so many systems, so many platforms. Ever Webinar is there, GoToWebinar is there, Temu is there, Zoom is there, and the multiple Click Meeting is there, and so many platforms are there. Everybody is charging you say $15 a month, or Get Response Webinar is there, $25 a month, $99 a month, $499 a month, whatever it is. So depending on your own requirement, I would highly suggest you to check out all the 3 links and just get started. Get started on the webinars, because webinars are a super awesome way to connect with your audiences, sell your products, and promote your products and everything about it. Because in webinar, you can demonstrate what you cannot demonstrate on a phone call or something like that. Webinar has got the potential to really sell your courses, sell your products like crazy. People will see you, people will watch you, people will connect with you. And live like webinar empowers you to do a live chat. So you be on your phone, be wherever you're vacationing, just do your vacationing, your webinar will go on and it look like a live webinar. So that's all from my side. I hope you got some value from this particular video. Check out everything. In case you are doing a webinar plan already, start with this. You don't have nothing to lose. Every platform is coming. Every platform comes with a money back guarantee also. Like live webinar has got 60 days money back attached to it, because it is coming through AppSumo platform as a one-time deal. Your WebinarKid comes in 14 days. WebinarLoop also comes with a 30-day guarantee. So don't worry about it. Your purchase is completely safe. So go ahead and take your best call today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless.